So in this subtask of the calculator project, we're going to be handling user choice. It is based on the menu printed out. We'll take input from the user as to what choice they want to perform. Based on that, we'll be redirecting the user to a particular functionality. That's the user chooses add, we're going to redirect the user to the add function, or else we'll redirect the user to the subtract function, or we're going to exit out of the program. Coming to the code, let's look at the calculator function. So we're going to be taking user choice as an input, which is an integer, and if user choice is 1, so equal to over here means comparison operator, that is going to compare both the values sent on left and right side of it. So if user choice is equal to 1, then we're going to return let's initiate addition. Else if user choice is 2, we're going to print out let's initiate subtraction. And the second option is subtraction. If it's any other number other than 1 or 2, we're going to print out exit the program. And in the main function, first we're going to display the calculator menu using the calculator display function. The reason we're going %s is because it's a string. And then we're going to take user input using scanf over here. And after taking user input, we're going to pass that value on to the calculator function. That is, we're going to call that function with the user input. And then after that, we're just going to print out whatever is returned from this function. Let's just run this code once. So let me choose addition. So you can see I've gotten the message, let's initiate addition. Let me just submit this code once. So passed all 3 test cases. Let's move on to the next subtask.